Once you've created the item table, next you will create a supplier table. So you'll click on the Create tab and then click Table. And then when you click Table, you'll notice in your view pane where it will say Table 1. So just make sure you click on that once. Again, you're in Datasheet view. So click on the View tab and switch to Design View. And then name this table Supplier. And once you name it Supplier, you are taken to Design View. And you will create the fields shown in figure 1-90. So you'll create the fields supplier code. I'm going to change this to supplier name. So we're going to change ID to supplier code. And I'm going to change the data type. I'm going to make it short text. And in the field properties, I'm going to make the field size 2. And then we'll do key in supplier name. And then I'm going to just go ahead and finish keying in these field names. And in figure 1-90, I have finished keying in the field names inside Design View. And just for telephone number, I've made the field size 12. For zip code, the field size is 5. For state, the field size is 2, and so forth. Just remember that the field size, this means, for example, for state, you cannot key in more than 2 characters. So if you try to key in a third character, you will not be able to do so. And then once you click back on the View tab, again, just remember you're now in Design View. So click back on the View tab, and you want to switch back to Datasheet View. And when you switch back to Datasheet View, it will tell you that you must first save the table. So click Yes to save the table. And then you will key in the information. In figure 1-90. So for the supplier code, you'll just key in 5, and you'll just key in all of this information. And once you've keyed in the information for the supplier table, your table is complete. Again, you can go in between the columns, and just like in Excel, you can double left click to adjust any of the columns. Again, just when you click on the item table, just in case there's any information, you need to double click on the item table just to make sure that the column widths for those are adjusted as well. And as far as for the supplier table,